I got a really awesome Instagram DM yesterday. LeMayo, you act like you're from New York, but know nothing. You go to round 2, Stadium Goods, and Flight Club literally every single day, you loser. LeMayo crying, laughing emoji. I mean, you have a good point, but I haven't been to Flight Club or Stadium Goods this entire week. We should probably change that. Alright, we are in Stadium Goods, just like I promised you guys. I haven't been in here for a while, and this is like my favorite place to buy sneakers. Okay, actually not true. It's my favorite place to look at sneakers that I want to buy, but are too expensive for me to afford. That's more accurate. Woo. These are so nice. These came out, what, like 2 weeks ago? The Wings 5s. This is my first time seeing these. These things are freaking amazing. This is definitely my favorite Wings Jordan. I have the Wings Jordan 1s that I still haven't figured out how to lace up. If you're a long-time viewer of the channel, you know my struggles with those. These are beautiful. I need to find a size 12 of these in a good price, and I 100% want to pick these up and just rock the crap out of them. These will look awesome when they're beat up in my mind. They look awesome when they're brand new. I think this is just one of the most unique Jordans that has come out this year. I don't understand why they didn't get more popular and get a little bit more hyped up, a bit more expensive, because I think these things are awesome. Woo! These things are so nice. I need to buy these. I don't know why I haven't bought these yet. I have almost every single other Jordan 1 in existence. I just haven't bought these. I should pick these up today, right? Adrian is trying to get... You can't
You know you want to try them on.
I really want to try them on. But if I try them on, then I'm going to buy them.
11?
12.
Close.
I'll try them on. I'll try them on. Okay, Adrian is my new favorite employee at Stadium Goods. We talked for like 15 minutes. He was really, really cool. We were just talking about the city and the types of sneakerheads there and how much money people spend on shoes. And then he flips it on me and he's like, hey, you should spend $1,250 on this pair of shoes. I mean, they are really, really nice. Look at them. They're beautiful. But Adrian, you are a very talented salesperson. Adrian, you are a very persuasive sales employee. I don't know how he's getting me to put these on my feet. They look so good. Alana, how good do they look?
Pretty fresh.
Oh, I don't want to lace them up. I feel bad doing that.
I got you.
Oh, I don't know. I don't think I can today. They're nice, but whew, these are so freaking nice. Okay, I'm not going to buy these today, but I am going to buy these one day. Those things were so nice, but Stadium Goods had them for $1,250. I love that store, and the people in it are so nice, but $1,250. No. Alana is back with us today.
Oh, yeah.
We are in Soho. Alana wants to go shopping and not shoe shopping.
I could buy shoes.
And I need to stop by one of my buddy's stores just to finalize some work that I'm going to be doing in the next month.
Right.
We could let's go right. Let's do it right. This is your first time in New York, huh?
Yeah, and everyone honks like every 5 fucking seconds.
You can't swear in my vlogs.
Oh, sorry.
Then, as we said, we stopped over at Sneaker Flea for a couple minutes, had a quick talk with my buddy Joe about some stuff I'm going to be working on in the next month. It went really good. Bye, Joe. Have a good one. Freaking love Joe. Isn't Joe the best?
He's really nice.
I completely forgot all of my extra camera batteries in the hotel. Camera died. Obviously can't film with the dead camera, and we are back and it's 8:30 and I'm in Times Square. My hotel's in Times Square. I didn't come here because I wanted to. I came here because my hotel's here. You know what? I crap on Times Square a lot. We're not gonna do that today. Okay, I mean, since we were right across the street from it, I needed to stop in Champ Sports. I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea what these are called. Miami Vice Jordan 8s. I kind of really like these. I'm also kind of ashamed to admit that. that is pretty much today. It's really late and I need to be up really early tomorrow morning, like really early, and I've had a really fun day, but unfortunately we do need to call it quits. I also realized I was just moving my hands a ton, and tons of you guys make fun of me for moving my I understand why you make fun of me now. I accept it. Anyway guys, thank you to every single one of you for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I truly do mean that. I will see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. So until then, make sure to hit subscribe, hit those post notifications, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at @TheRealRayRay20. That is not my Instagram handle anymore. Tom Stefaniak. I'll see you guys tomorrow.